In today's video, we'll explore the critical signs that may indicate you're experiencing narcissistic abuse and provide insights to help you identify and understand this toxic dynamic. Whether it's a partner, family member, friend, or colleague, these signs apply to anyone who might be a source of emotional distress in your life. Let's dive straight in. 1. Lack of kindness, care, and stability. If your relationship feels chaotic, unkind, or irrational, it's a warning sign. Toxic individuals often deflect blame, avoid accountability, and fail to express genuine remorse. If someone repeatedly hurts you without taking responsibility, it reveals a fundamental lack of character that cannot be changed. Recognizing this is essential to protect your emotional well-being. 2. You walk on eggshells. Do you find yourself overly cautious, afraid of triggering conflict? Narcissistic individuals often overreact to minor issues and expect preferential treatment. They may abandon, manipulate, or punish you if they don't get their way, forcing you to compromise your values to keep the peace. 3. Your emotions are manipulated. A hallmark of narcissistic relationships is how they make you feel about yourself. If you're constantly questioning your worth, integrity, or actions because of their accusations, it's a sign you're caught in their manipulative web. These individuals project their flaws onto you, leading to confusion and self-doubt. 4. You're constantly cleaning up. Their mess life with a narcissist often feels like endless damage control. From covering their mistakes to managing the fallout of their reckless actions, your energy gets drained trying to maintain order in the chaos they create. 5. Your boundaries are non-existent. With a narcissist, boundaries often crumble. Attempts to assert yourself may lead to criticism, rejection, or punishment. Over time, this erodes your confidence, leaving you feeling powerless and unheard. 6. You're addicted to the relationship. A toxic bond can become addictive, known as trauma bonding. Despite the pain they cause, you may feel an overwhelming urge to stay connected, even against your better judgment. Recognizing this cycle is the first step toward breaking free. 7. You feel physically and emotionally drained. Toxic relationships often lead to physical and emotional burnout. Symptoms like anxiety, depression, or even chronic illnesses such as PTSD or fibromyalgia may emerge as your body and mind struggle to cope with the constant stress. 8. You're losing your sense of self. Over time, a narcissistic relationship may consume your identity. You might feel isolated, ashamed, and disconnected from the things that once brought you joy. The more energy you give to the toxic person, the less you have for yourself. The path to healing. Healing begins with acknowledgement. If these signs resonate with you, it's time to take a step back, set boundaries, and prioritize your well-being. Walking away may be difficult, but it's often necessary to reclaim your life and build healthier, more fulfilling connections. Do any of these signs resonate with you? Share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Remember, awareness is the first step to empowerment.